Hello, thanks for tuning in. Alright, this video is a request from one of our subscribers, and he asked about getting the rear parking sensors into the aftermarket Vijay bumper. Now you're going to run into this with a few items, and a few different manufacturers have ways to fix them. The cheaper the bumper is, generally the more problems you have. So our solution to it was we popped them out of the rear bumper here and left the outer housing in and that center housing come out. So we'll go up to the bumper now and show it. Alright, and here we are at the rear bumper. This is the left side. Now the left and right side you're gonna have to extend, but if you see here, this is that little rubber piece that holds it into the stock bracket. We just took that, put a little bit of grease on here and slid it in, and it just kind of sits in there. It's not, there's no clips or nothing like that, and you see you can move it, and you know it'll pop out if you try, but it generally stays in there. It hasn't fallen out yet. And the same thing with this one, same concept. You're just using this little rubber that's on the stock one when you pull it out of the bumper as like a compression type fitting. Other than that, you got to extend them, and them being over here kind of throws the system wonky, so we just leave the audible beep off, and that way you don't have no warning lights for your park assist. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.